So what's going on, Gas Gang? My name's Jamie. Welcome back to Officially Gas. Now, you guys thought I forgot about the Fiesta, but no, it's behind me. We're at Devil Developments, and today it's getting more mods. Guys, this is gonna be sick, so stay tuned and let's get it. So yes, guys, as the intro said, today I am back down at Devil Developments, and we got the Ford Fiesta ST. And you know what? It's always windy down here, so I'm gonna hop in the car so you guys can hear me. So yes, guys, we are back down at Devil Developments today, and we got the Ford Fiesta ST. Now, this is the first time I'm back at Devil Developments since lockdown with the Fiesta. You guys might have seen the video where this car went to a stage 3 from a stage 1 car. Epic transformation. Make sure you check out the video if you ain't seen it before. But that was just before lockdown, and I made quite a few cool videos on the Fiesta ST, testing, you know, 0 to 60s and things like that, going for a first drive and just getting to know the car and just kind of feeling out the new power. And guys, it is epic. You know, it's making all the right noises now, and it just goes like, you know what I mean, it goes like crazy. It's a very fast car for a little car, actually. It surprised a lot of people, but as I say, it flies. The only problem is now, guys, as I said on the first drive of the new power, it ain't really stopping too well. Now, don't get me wrong, in stop form, although these brakes don't look like much, they actually stop the car pretty damn well. But obviously with this extra power, we need to stop the car. So as I said in the intro, more mods today, and yes, it is a big brake kit going on the car. Now, we'll talk a little bit more about the kit that's going on the car a little bit later in the video. There's also some other supporting mods that we got going on the car, just to kind of give it that little bit more of a race car feel, shall we say. And yeah, guys, look, I'm not even gonna waffle too much. Mods going on the Fiesta, I ain't forgot about it. Let's head inside and turn this little bad boy into a race car. Let's do it. So guys, as I said, we will be fitting big brakes today, and I want to give Puma Speed a massive shout out because we're going to be using their big brake kit, and it's lit. I'm not going to lie, it looks stunning. There you go. These bad boys right here will be going on the car. They are Puma Speed 4-pot big brakes. We've got 2-piece floating discs, carbon ceramics. No, I'm joking. They look like they are there. Just normal steel, but 2-piece floating J-hook discs, braided lines, which is going to be sick. We've got our adapters. They've also sent through some rear grooved discs, because I will show you the condition of my rear brakes. They are absolutely shocking. I don't know how the car is actually stopping. But anyway, as you see, guys, these discs are absolutely humongous. I will actually do a comparison to the stock discs when we take the stock discs off, but these are 330 mil, so they are big boys. So that's kind of compared to my hand. And they just look as cool as hell. We got our adapter plates, and we got some Mintex racing pads. Now with the pads, I don't know, we might go for a bit more of a track orientated pad when we eventually do hit the track, if it ever happens. I know you guys are probably like, Jamie, you're always talking about going on the track. It ain't happened, but guys, I promise it will happen. We're just setting the car up. And I think after we've had the brakes, we're pretty much ready to go. Like, you know, what's the worst that can happen? Just full send. So yeah, this is the kit that's going on today. Also, a lot of you would be thinking, Jay, you kind of got red accents on your car. Why are you going for blue? They're kind of like a nitrous blue. I think it's called, like the Ford Focus RS kind of color calipers. You'll probably be thinking, why am I going for them? Unfortunately, they didn't have the red ones in stock for me when I needed them. I think they've restocked now, so you could probably get red ones. And also you'd be thinking, but you've got red calipers at the rear, what are you gonna do? Not 100% sure, so one of the two, I'll probably spray these red or spray the rear ones blue. I kinda like this blue, so I might keep it blue. I wanna show you a few other little things that we're rolling with today, namely eBack sway bars to keep everything nice and rigid. So I just open the box here and show you what we've got. So I'll probably get mull of this. I think that's the rear sway bar there, and we've got the front anti-roll bar here, so it's pretty straightforward. I'm pretty sure these anti-roll bar kits are slightly thicker, more rigid than the stock ones. It's definitely a good accompaniment when you're running coilovers. So yeah, I mean, not too much to explain here. It's just a anti-roll bar slash sway bar kit. We've got anti-roll bar bushes, and that is pretty much it. Yeah, so we're just, you know, sporting things up, adding a little bit of element of safety, and, you know, just going for it. So guys, what we're gonna do now is get the car in, get it in the air, whip these wheels off, and fit these bad boys. Let's do it. Guys, so Ben has whipped off the wheels and I wanted to show you the rear brakes on this bad boy because they speak for themselves. As you can see, I would probably say about 30% of that pad is actually making contact with the disc. It is just rusty. How that was ever working, I'm not sure. The handbrake probably didn't work. If this was ever parked on a slope, it would probably roll away. But today we're going to do something about it. And as I say, we are going to be fitting these bad boys here. I don't know, about the same size. I don't know. Anyway, what we'll do is we'll whip them off and we'll put them next to him on the bench. I think they're the same size. Yeah. So anyway, now the front discs, they're not too bad. You know what? They're actually not too bad. Barely a lip on them. Only issue is if you look through here, you could probably make out they have got the some budget Raymond pads. There'll be someone in the comments saying Raymond pads are sick. I know how it goes, but yeah, I've never heard of them. So we're going to be upgrading these bad boys too. The slider is seized up. Oh, he's moving it. There you go. Sword in the stone. Excalibur. Bro, you're the chosen one. The slider's completely buggered. I don't even think that side of brakes were working. So we should see a difference by just getting that moving. Do you reckon that can be unseized? Yeah.
It'll take a little while. Then.
Fair play. Fair play. All right. All fun and games. Ben has been working away like a madman and he's swapped up the discs as you see. He's done the rear disc, he's freed off the rear slides on the calipers, so the rear brakes will now work. And as you see, we have got the rear sway bar fitted. This isn't a replacement, this is actually something that isn't fitted by Ford, so you're not upgrading it, you're actually fitting one in place where one wasn't before, if that makes sense. So this is definitely going to make the rear end feel a little bit more rigid, or that is the idea, I hope. So now we're moving on to the front on the anti-roll bar. Guys, this isn't actually a straightforward job. Ben, you actually got to drop the subframe down to get this bad boy in, right?
Yeah, it's a length of it. You can see it there. It's a funny old shape.
Yeah.
Drop the subframe down
and then
back.
Whap it in.
Don't want to do it in your driveway.
Nah. So guys, get a ramp or get creative, one or the other. But before I just show you some of the gear that's in it, we've got a Cozzy right here, guys. Big old Borg Warner turbo on that. I believe it's about 550 brake, you're saying? 550, yeah. So she's running good power, golden oldie. A little bit dirty on the outside, but believe me, guys, you look under that car, it is clean as you like. And this bad boy here, we have an RS Turbo Cabriolet. That's Lee's motor, and you guys might know when I gave you a talk about previous cars that I've had, I actually owned one of these as my first car. Obviously it's XR3i cab with the lump dropped in it. But this is what this a 1.9Z, bro, I'll let you explain it.
It's not a 1. It's a 1.9 CVH.
CVH.
Yeah, it's old power engineering engine.
Okay, and it's running what you said, like
265.
Good power. Yeah. Good power for an old car.
Good power.
Yeah, and guys, I can vouch for that because I've been out in this bad boy and it was nostalgic and it makes some good turbo noises, I know that. Oh, and I don't know if I've mentioned, I've actually got a new number plate. I can't remember if I've showed you guys this, but it kind of says gas this. Anyway, I got it for a good price, so yeah, it's on there.
Life is what you make it. I feel like a man's I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places, I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it.
Right guys, Ben has now fit the sway bars and anti-roll bar bushes and it is on to the big brake kit from Puma Speed. He's actually built them up on the bench prior to fitting, and I did actually mess this up earlier when I was telling you about these discs. They're not floating, they're just two-piece, but regardless, still bad boys. Also, going back to it, if you guys want to save when you purchase your big brake kits from Puma Speed, they've actually gave me a discount code which is GAST. So if you want 10% off their big brake kits, guys, you can save when you buy these. All you need to do is type GAST into the search bar on Puma Speed website and you'll save yourself 10% off this big brake kit. And believe me, these are wicked prices already. So saving the 10% off to now, like, they're literally a steal. Look at the old disc compared to the new disc. Look at the size difference. 330mm disc. I don't know what these are standard. Someone will probably write in the comments, but look at the size difference already there. Look at how much more stopping power you're gonna have, surface area. It's gonna be mad. And obviously, these are big and vented. Obviously these are vented, but they're slimmer. J-hooks all around. Just gonna help the brake pad bite in a little bit more. And yeah, just an all-round beast of a disc, which will be coupled with these sick 4-pot calipers. So grab that, put it back up on the bench here with the rest of it, and let Ben crack on. And guys, also I forgot to mention, we're actually putting new, longer studs in the hubs here, because we're having to run spacers so we clear the wheels for the brake calipers. So we're actually running H&R 15mm wheel spacers, which actually is going to come in quite handy, because if I'm honest, the car's stance is a little bit crap anyway. Like the wheels like sit way too far into the arch, so these 15mm should sit them out, and on top of that, they're obviously going to give us our clearance we need for these brake calipers. So it should look pretty good when we're finished. Quite aggressive, quite aggressive. So boom, guys, we are all done. Big brake kit fitted, sway bars, anti-roll bars. You know what, I'm hot back in the car again because it's still windy, but we are all done and I'm gassed. All done, busy day, sway bars fitted, front brakes fitted, you know, rear brakes fitted. We're literally looking back at those brakes, they were proper bad, like, you know what I mean? So I think we got there right in time. So yeah, just a productive day, guys. The Fiesta ST is coming together. I'm ready for the track now, I'm saying it, I'm ready for the track. No more excuses. I need to get a track day booked and yeah, just go tear it up. In fact, we're gonna keep pushing away with this car too, because we've got loads planned. Guys, progression. So I'm gonna have to let you know what these brakes are like in a different video. Obviously need to bed them in on the way home. Ben, who was fitting my brakes, also has a red Fiesta ST. We call it the Eco Beast, the ST van. He's also running 300 brake horsepower and he's running the same brake setup. He swears by them, they're amazing brakes. Once again, a massive shout out to Puma Speed for supplying the big brake kit. If you wanna follow a similar path, hit him up. Any inquiries, hit him up. And remember, if you want to save 10% when purchasing a big brake kit, just write in gas in the search bar when you're on the Puma Speed website. And also guys, a massive shout out to Devil Developments for hooking everything up today. Guys, any inquiries, please hit them up. I will leave all links below. Guys, if you have enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Make sure you go back and check some of my other videos out too, because I know you like them, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.